Hello guys, mkoaje? Pia mimi niko poa. Nawakaribisha wote in CPA Honest Macharia channel. Asanteni sana for your time and I'm very humbled kwa sababu ya your support, kujitolea kwenu, to watch my videos, to subscribe, to like and also share. It's a very high privilege. So in this channel mostly we deal with accounting issues and mostly taxation issues, as well as auditing, bookkeeping, and all other services concerning accounting. That's what we normally do in this channel. So siku ya leo niko hapa kwa sababu ya KRA, that is concerning taxation. I think nilijaribu kuelezea kuhusu eTIMS. So KRA wamekuja na a new invoicing system that is called eTIMS. It's a software. So that's why niko hapa siku ya leo, tuzidi kusaidiana. So have your notebook, have a pen. Tunaweza andika mawili matatu yenye unaweza ona it's necessary for you. It's a wide topic, so tutaiguzia mpaka mahali tutaweza, and then tutaimalizia in our next episode. So kwanza, what is this eTIMS? What is this eTIMS? So eTIMS is a software KRA introduce for convenient and consistent or flexible invoicing. So kama wewe ni taxpayer, a business owner, you have a KRA PIN, you need to onboard on this eTIMS. So eTIMS is an electronic tax invoice managing system. So tumesema is a software. They had earlier issued a notice concerning the deadline or the effective date, or the dates that all taxpayers or business owners should have onboarded to this eTIMS. So they extended the deadline. The deadline was on 1st January 2024, but they extended the deadline up to 31st March 2024. So I think it's the end of this month. So everybody mwenye anajua ana involve in any business transaction na angependa his or her invoices or transactions to be expense allowable, lazima all his invoices be generated from that eTIMS. So who are these people eligible for eTIMS? Anybody conducting business, be it sole proprietor, be it individual, be it company, be it partnership, VAT taxpayers or non-VAT taxpayers, everybody transacting any business should be onboarded on these eTIMS. So nimesema kila mmoja wetu mwenye anafanya biashara, kama wewe ni mwana bodaboda, kama wewe ni mama mboga, kama wewe ni kampuni, kama wewe ni muuza duka, wewe ni mwenye matatu, you need to be onboarded on these eTIMS. Kwa nini ninasema hivyo? Kwa sababu from 31st March 2024, any expense or any receipt that will not be generated from that eTIMS, it will not be tax allowable expense. So itakuwa tu karatasi kama zile karatasi zingine. So remember, when doing your income tax at the end of the year, you lose, kwa sababu those expenses will not be deducted, will not be allowable for deductions. So it's necessary to make sure that anybody you are transacting business with, be it umebebwa na piki, be it umebebwa na Uber, umeletewa mzigo, all those invoices that you pay must be generated from the eTIMS, so that at the end of the year you will be in a position to claim all those taxes that you've been paid. So kama hutafanya hivyo, then all those money that you have paid zitakuwa zimepotelea. So at the end of the year you will pay higher taxes, kwa sababu all those expenses will be disallowed. So it's good to make sure that anybody, any supplier you are interacting with, have onboarded on these eTIMS. And remember, I'm not talking about only the VAT registered taxpayers. This is for all tax obligations, be it monthly rental income taxes, be it withholding taxes, be it income taxes, be it VATs, all tax obligations zenye zinakuanga. So wewe uko kwa TOT, that is turnover tax, you have to onboard. Wewe uko kwa monthly rental income tax, you have to onboard. That's why I'm saying everybody, when you transact the business, must onboard on these eTIMS. Mpaka hapo najua tumeelewana. So how do you register? Or before we go on how we register for these eTIMS, what are the requirements? What are the requirements for registering for these eTIMS? One. So you can write something, sababu these documents you will provide them when registering for eTIMS. You have to upload them. So this thing sometimes is done online. So you can reach us and we can assist you on how to register or onboard on these eTIMS. So documents required. Number one, there is an introduction letter signed by at least one of the directors or partners or business owner So clearly indicating who has been appointed as the tax representative and their role in their business. So lazima kukuwe na hiyo letter signed by you, mwenye biashara, mwenye kampuni. 2. The directors or partners or owner of the businesses should fill in and sign the eTIMS acknowledgement and commitment form. This form utaitoa kwa portal ya KRA. So ukienda pale utadownload eTIMS portal, acknowledgement and commitment form, utaijaza. After kuijaza, you will upload it. 3. Copy of the directors or partners or owners ID, so identity cards. So pia hiyo inahitajika. 4. Copy of CR12 form for companies or partnership deed for partnership. And remember, for sole proprietors, registration ya jina ni very important. So hiyo certificate ya registration pia inahitajika. So all these documents will be uploaded when registering for eTIMS. After umejaza the form ya acknowledgement and commitment form, utazi-upload pale zote. So there are those 4 main documents needed for you to be approved to be onboarded on eTIMS. Also, remember that to be onboarded, you can do this through 1. eCitizen. And for eCitizen is for those solutions for business with minimal transactions. So kama kampuni, hizo ndizo unafanyia pale kwa eCitizen. Partnership, kampuni, hizo unafanyia pale registration kwa eCitizen. Another method, you can use USSD code. And this USSD code is *22#. Then after dialing *222#, you'll go to option number 5 for KRA, and then select option 2 for sales invoice. So it's easier for those people like mama boga, pikipiki, matatus, Ubers, or anybody else. You will use that USSD code. Una smartphone, unatumia katururu, you will use that USSD code. It's very easy, simple, and you will invoice your client. So another way of registering is online portal. And this is for taxpayers in the service sector exclusively, where no goods are supplied. So kama hakuna bidhaa zinasuppliwa, you can use this online portal. 4. eTIMS client. This is a downloadable software designed for taxpayers dealing in goods and services. It supports multiple branches and pay points or cashier tills. So hii ni software which is downloadable, deals with services and goods. So hii ni opposite ya ile yenye tulisema ya kwanza, online portal. So kama wewe unahusikana na mambo na services and goods, use eTIMS client. So 5, virtual sales control unit. These solutions enable seamless systems to system integration between the taxpayers invoicing or ERP system and eTIMS, catering to taxpayers with extensive transaction or bulk invoices. So like supermarkets, like those companies that are very busy, like Safaricom, they will use virtual sales control unit. 6, online sale control unit. Online sale control unit. Hii ni kama two virtual sales control units, but this solution also facilitates system-to-system integration between the taxpayers invoicing or ERP system and eTIMS. It is ideal for taxpayers using an online invoicing. So here, virtual sales control unit, unaweza itumia offline, then you submit your invoices or transmit your invoices. But online sales control unit, you must be online so that to invoice your clients. So from there, I think kwanza to digest hiyo, then nitakuja tujaribu kuendelea kuelimishana what you need. Hii software kama ndio unahitaji itawekwa wapi. So let's have a date. We meet again in this channel, same time, tuzidi kusaidiana. So for that, kindly subscribe, kindly turn on your notification, kindly share, like, watch CPA_Ngugi Macharia. If you have any question, don't hesitate. In all my social media accounts, CPA_Ngugi Macharia. Thank you very much. Have a nice, a wonderful time. Thank you.